Study with science curriculum guidance for science education like tools from the next generation of science standards in the USA, emphasizing building a deep understanding throughout three key dimensions: disciplinary core ideas, science, and engineering practice. And crucial concepts, disciplinary core ideas are the big concepts in the lab science, physical science, earth and space science, like ecosystems, force and motion, or weather patterns. Practice involve things like asking questions, planning investigation, and analyzing data, which encourage equity based learning, increasing concept, tie it all together, such as patterns, cause and effect on energy flow. In major aspects, is focusing on phonema, real world observable event that the student explain using science. This shifts from raw memorization to hands-on active learning. For example, in elementary school, kid might study the phoneme of tide. They observe videos or models of ocean tides. They notice a cause like gravitational pull from the moon and conduct some simple experiment with water and bal simulate to medium school called STEM to engineering a solution like the same coastal barrier to mitigate erosion from cities. These guidelines ensure operation across grade will encompass starting basic in K2 and getting more analytical by high school. Overall, the goal is prepare a student for real world problem solving, aligning with the state understand that promote equity and inclusion STEAM. Thank you.
Hello. As a social studies, we have that social studies study the human behavior, social relationships, and how societies work. They help and understand how we live, think, and organize ourselves as a community. We have the main disciplines. Yeah, the first one is history, analyze the past events. Geography studies the earth and its relationship with people. Economics studies how goods are produced and used. Sociology examines social behavior and organization. Anthropology explores human cultures and traditions. Political science studies government and power. And social psychology studies how society influences the human mind.
Hey, I'm going to talk about the curriculum guidelines for art. Art is more than drawing or painting. It's about creativity, imagination, and expressions. It helps students communicate their ideas and emotions and builds cultural awareness and identity. Art allows students to use the use from different perspectives. The main purpose of art in curriculum is to develop creativity and imagination. It encourages students to think critically and solve problems in innovative ways. Art promotes emotional expressions, reflection, and aesthetic appreciations. For example, students design posters about environmental care, combining art and social awareness. Key components of our education. The curriculum includes four key areas: visual arts, music, dance, and drama. Arts, drawing, painting, sculpture, photography, express identity and emotions. Music develops rhythm, concentration, and emotional connection. Example, creating a simple melody about friendship. Dance promotes coordination, teamwork, and expressions. Example, choreography representing cultural traditions. And drama improves empathy and communication, such as acting or out stories about respect or tolerance. Teachers are encouraged to use active and participatory methods. Examples include project-based learning, art exhibitions, and collaborative murals. Integration with other subjects make art more meaningful. Art plus science plus social studies. For example, creating a mural that illustrates the water cycle using color and textures. Evaluation focuses on the process, not only the final product. Teachers assess creativity, effort, participation, and reflections. Portfolios and sketchbook help track artistic progress over time. For example, a series of sketches showing the evolution in an idea. In conclusion, the art curriculum is essential because it develops creativity, emotional intelligence, and appreciation for culture. Arts help students think differently, express themselves, and value diversity. It teaches them to see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Thank you.